Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you can understand, this is regarding KCET 2023 fees refund, right? So there is a new update from KEA site which is hosted on KEA website. So you can see this, notification is provided at home. Under that there is admission section and UGCET 2023. So it says that notification for candidates who were eligible for refund, so that students who have already applied, they can get the refund, and there are some important information which needs to be provided. So once you go there, this is the notification which is there, released on 22nd of December, and it provides for details on the caution deposit and the other information, and also they have provided inputs, right? So if you see, it says that providing bank account details through online by UGCET and UG NEET. So it is applicable for both students who have given UGCET and UG NEET and are eligible to get refunds. So it says that refund of fees directly to bank account is in progress. So they are basically refunding students the refund amount in their bank account itself, the students who have given UGCT and UG NEET as per the guidelines, and for the students who have cancelled their seat, or the students who have paid excess fee but they are now getting their excess fee back, so it will be deposited in your account. And third is the if you have paid any caution fee, then that is getting refunded. So there are three basically: normal refund due to seat cancellation, second is the excess paid fees refund, and the third is the caution fee amount refund, right? So the list of candidates who have not given the correct information is hosted in this PDF. So there are large number of more than 1,000 students who have not given the proper bank account. If you don't give the proper bank account, you will not be able to get the refund back. That is why this notification is there. So if you see you should update the information on the KEA website. You should go there and add your proper bank account with the requested detail. Only once you add it, your refund will come, and the last date to edit your bank account details is 31st of December. So it's like 1 week is left, you can go and edit. And it talks about the students who have mismatch is there. So this is the start of the list. You can see application number, CET number, and candidate name, and there are thousands of such students who have not given the correct bank information, and their refund is not yet processed. So please go and check your name if it is there, and immediately you have to update the records, right? So that is the update, and you have to use your CET login, which is application number and then password, and then basically edit your banking information so that you can get your refunds. So this is very important, and that's all I have to cover in this particular video. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates. Take care and bye.